And the colors on a slide so
So, meine Damen und Herren, vollkommen richtig, das ist Bumpy.
2JU51472 Paris Charles de Gaulle. It's ready for boarding.
Passenger progress boarding delayed in a few minutes. As soon as we will start boarding, we'll inform you.
The flight time to Paris will be approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes.